This is my 2010 Banshee Amp. Starting out in the front, we got a 2011 Fox Racing Talus fork with a RLC model. Moving to the front wheel, we got a Chris King ISO front hub with a 15mm through axle. Rim I'm running is a Sun Rhinolite rim. Got the DT Swiss spokes with the red nipples, match the hub. Brakes I have are Avid Code R's. Moving up to the bars, we got Atlas, the Raceface Atlas Freeride bars with a Raceface D2 stem. And I have a 9-speed with a SRAM X9 shifter. Moving down to the cranks, we got the Triviu Hotzefeller cranks in limited edition white with a red Odyssey BMX twisted pedals and a Gamut chain guide. I got a SRAM cassette and a SRAM derailleur. And pretty much the back end's the same as the front. Chris King hub, Code R brakes, same rim, Sun Rhinolite. The Maxxis Holy Roller tires. The seat is a WTB SST saddle, and the post comes with the frame. So thanks for watching.